What are you guys doing? You playing? Yeah. Hi. Oh, there's Townsend. Hey, Townsend. Hi, buddy. You say hi?
Hi.
Hi. You guys getting dirty?
No.
Yeah. Hi, say cheese.
Okay, Jeremy, you're going to the beach.
What are you doing?
Nice. Everyone say hi. It's video.
There's Jill.
All right, nobody say hi.
There's Clark.
Hi.
I'll be the commentary. There's Clark.
There's Clark.
There's Clark.
Dork.
Who else do we have? Spencer, Kenny, Kate, Jill, One Tree Hill, and Molly. There's Tim.
Province.
And Alyssa. She did it to herself.
One Tree Hill. And then
A lot worse things to be called that.
Tyler.
And
We forgot Miss Meryl. There she is.
It only took my brother 3 days to get the name creepy.
Here, you.
is it recording?
Okay, what am I doing? Let's go,
As long as he's got something in his mouth, he's happy.
Here, just put him right there.
Did it get hair on it? Wash it off.
Do it slowly, otherwise he'll eat them all at once. Is he still back here?
Okay, I'm done.
Yay!